If you want to destroy me, aim well. Because if you miss me, I won't miss you. I have never hated anyone. I simply excluded from my life those who disappointed me. You talk to me when you want. I respond when I'm bored. I have accepted so many things that I will never accept again. You can leave my life whenever you want, but you won't come back when you want. I haven't changed. I just opened my eyes to certain people. I trusted certain people too quickly. That was the only mistake I made. I have no desire to argue with anyone. I prefer to walk away because I'm just seeking peace. I'm not resentful, but there are people with whom I prefer not to be in contact. I wish them neither good nor bad. They just have to get what they deserve away from me. I am grateful to all those who said no to me, because thanks to them, I did it myself. No one starts at the top. I will work to get there. Life sometimes takes unexpected turns, and I am faced with challenges that catch me off guard. The important thing is to never forget that a challenge is also an opportunity to grow and find within oneself a strength and courage that we did not know. If you watch this far, drop a black heart. It shows that you're a part of our community.
Step out of the darkness, road boy.